Case name Rajesh and age is 47 years and today date is 3rd February 2026 and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before voice therapy. Why you came here? What problem we are facing?
Yeah, my name is Rajesh. I come from Bangalore and I came to know regarding the doctor on the Google search and I have seen many positive reviews. So that is the feedback from my side, and this is a pre-sample before the treatment, and my problem is the female kind of voice.
Post therapy video of Rajesh and today date is 10th of February 2026. Rajesh, I want speech sample after the voice therapy. What problem you had and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
Hi, myself Rajesh Busa. I have female kind of voice previously and very high pitch voice, and after 8 days of treatment there is a lot of change in my voice and everyone is saying like it's a male kind of voice.
So when you spoke to your friend first time after the treatment, what was the reaction? Can you tell in their words?
Yeah, I have spoken to many of my friends, and one friend I want to iterate here. So whenever I called him, he thought someone has stolen my phone and he's calling him. Mm-hmm. He did not believe me that I am the actual person. Mm-hmm. So later I suggested him to call me in the WhatsApp video call. So later he saw me, but still he was not believing. Mm-hmm. So after many personal things of sharing.
What is your age now?
I am 47 years old and I am facing this problem from the 33 years old.
Okay, so how this voice is going to help you at this age?
Yeah, based on the change in the voice, it will definitely help in my career because I'm a software engineer and a lot of time I need to speak with the US clients and Australian clients. So definitely it will be helpful for me.
Any message you want to give to the people? You have delayed so much and what you miss so that those kind of things they should not miss?
Basically, I'm not aware these kind of therapies are available, the speech therapies. So previously I went to an ENT doctor, but he suggested for a surgery, but I'm not interested in the surgery because I have fear with the voice, whether it will be upgraded or downgraded. But when I was searching in the last month, I came to know Dr. Sanjay.
SLP Sanjay Kumar.
Sanjay Kumar. So then I thought, let me give a shot.
Okay, and how many days you have taken the treatment here?
And the treatment is nearly 7 to 8 days.
Correct. And so even if you are going for the surgery also, you have to take voice therapy. So why not you should try first voice therapy? And in 8 days we have already completed.
Yeah.
Sometimes people think in the surgery will take less time. So maybe true, but after surgery you have to take again voice therapy. And we have also finished within 8 days.
Yes.
Okay, so those who are watching this video, if you are able to see the positive changes, like this video, share this video so that people having similar kind of problem, they can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place once they don't know where to go. Can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, definitely can use.
Thank you so much for the permission.
Yeah, and thank you, doctor.
Thanks for watching.